I think the hardest part of starting our cleaning business was having to hitchhike, take buses to jobs, and dream that one day we would reach some sort of financial freedom with a vacuum and a mop. Despite the biggest challenges we faced when hiring and managing employees, we never gave up. Unfortunately, most people quit and leave their dreams as a dream. No action plan behind it. Instead, they just get a job. Why? It's easier. There's no pain involved. But I learned that when you're about to quit is when you're about to see things turn around for good.
We are wired differently. Entrepreneurs are willing to take risks, work, hustle, receive no's as an answer, with an ultimate goal to change the world with a product or service. Entrepreneurship is not for the faint of heart. It's a journey full of highs and lows. But those who stick with it eventually learn that no matter how many times we get knocked down, we always have the ability to get back up and try again. Because at the end of the day, entrepreneurship is all about resilience. It's about never giving up on your dreams and continuing to fight until we achieve them. Hiring and recruiting to fulfill the demand is very stressful. But it's why homeowners pay us, so we must be the best at finding ideal employees who will fit into our company culture and grow with us. Hiring Automated for me is freedom activated. Freedom to pause, reset, think, and enjoy life without the stress, wondering if I will have enough employees to cover all jobs. That's why I had to do something about it. There's no greater feeling in the world to me than time and freedom. It's spending time with family, traveling and enjoying a hobby, but ultimately following our higher calling in life. Our business is the vehicle to help us get there, but it's not the thing. That's why we build software designed to create freedom from our business, to put us in control, and to change the game by empowering entrepreneurs to hire, manage, and retain employees longer. By simplifying and streamlining the hiring and recruiting process into an all-in-one platform, so your company grows headcount and revenue with less effort, helping you not forget the important things in their lives. So whatever your dream may be, go after it with all you've got, pursue your passions and follow your calling. Always remember that you have the power in you to make this happen.